What up, my G? Welcome back to the underground. And if you ain't know, this is where I bring you the hottest underground kicks and we crown our underground kings. And today I'm hitting you with a pair that you probably saw floating around but didn't know how to get to it. Well, I hunted down that potential heat for you and I'm gonna let you know if it's hot or not. We ain't wasting no time. Let's make it happen. Technology TV. Keep it locked. These are the Seeing Dead People DeadStar highs. They're made by a gentleman who goes by Leak the Ruler on Instagram for his brand, Seeing Dead People. Now, off the bat, it's easy to see what this brand is about. They're kind of edgy, but they're about their art. Now, I gotta keep it real with you. I got two pairs, and another thing that's easy to see is that they don't expect you to keep this box. The sneakers actually ship in a bag, so this box, it ain't gonna survive. Now, the box is also pretty cheaply made. I mean, like I said, they can't expect you to keep this thing. You may not be able to see it on video, but there are lines going through the box. Like you can see the cardboard under the art. The air hole is a nice touch. And you see they have the company branded sizing sticker, but compared to others, it's just not that serious. But enough about the box. Let's get to the meat and potatoes, all right? Bust this joint open. Here we go. Bang. Ooh. Look, in hand, ain't nothing bad to say. All right, so let's see what we got here, for real, for real. So we got the Seeing Dead People logo here, which is very well done, I must say. It's, oh wow. It's like, I don't know what you would call it, like engraved in there. It's kind of deep. It's nice and it's well colored in. So good, so good. It's really dope. The collar is padded. I mean, the collar, it feels like it's padded deep. All the way down here and here. Yeah, it's well padded. Nice. We got smooth leather here. We got tumbled leather on the back. Tumble on the toe. And it's just, it feels good. I like the stars over here. This is a nice touch. I feel like this is a portion of the sneaker that just, it don't get a lot of love outside of, you know, being a part of the color blocking. You know, maybe they make it a different color sometimes, but nobody really designs it individually. And this is dope. This is fire. I ain't gonna lie. Tongue feels good, well padded. Oh, double logo. That's crazy. So we got the Seeing Dead People logo here and the Thunderbolt heart. Like I've never seen, I don't think I've ever seen anybody stylize this portion of the outsole. This is dope. I like this. So when you step in the sand, you step in the dirt in these, oh, they gonna know. They gonna know. This is fire. Let's get to pair number 2. Oh, you know I had to do it. Ooh. Extra laces, machine wrap. Respect it. Wow. I just feel like I made a good choice here. This is, no regrets. Now, this one is actually a little different. Yeah, so it looks like there's like imperfections right here. But what it is that the leather is reversed on these two pairs. I didn't know that before I bought them. I definitely didn't know that before I bought them. The leather is reversed on these two pairs. You got the tumble leather here, you got the smooth here, you got the smooth here, you got the tumble here. So this leather has a little more motion in it. It's a little softer. So I guess on this point over here, you got this little situation right here, which is fine with me. And it's a little tumble over here, a little bit here, not super soft, not too much. Oh, and the logo is different colors over here. We got black over here with, and these stars are like a cream, like a saily color, which is fire. So maybe I might get some like cream laces or some sail laces for these. If it had an aged sole, would have been icing on the cake, but hey, you could always get that done, right? Got like a bone, like a, you know, skeletal foot on the insole. But this is definitely dope. I mean, you got that same, feels like deep padding on this one. Of course, the tongue tabs are slightly different. They're, you know, seated slightly differently, but that's with every sneaker of this type. Anybody who knows, they know, you know, you get different tongues. Look at your tongue, look at your friend's tongue, it's just gonna be different. And the quality just seems to be consistent across the whole sneaker, across both pairs even. And the sneaker is really reasonably priced. So you can't go wrong. You really can't. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you would like to know anything about these sneakers. I got 2 pairs. Also, make sure you check the description so you can find out where to buy, and check out Leak the Ruler and Seeing Dead People on social media. It's your boy Fresco, Technology TV, doing the work so you don't have to. I ain't gonna lie, man, these joints hitting. These joints hitting. I'm taking them outside. And as always, making it easy for you to be easy, my G.